Khublei Pibaro Shakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Mat Bokongsan mentaka sengi kilong. Penkop buram kanipko Women Welfare Association sangot kikenthe Krau Jabe. Ri kendong la akor buram kentu ke Shabanam Singh. Rakhi kilong kami ke seng BJP ya ke International Women's Day Hanongpo. Bat daka help desk play UDC Hanongpo. Bat mentangin pas ke Khubor bakal. Haga Jylla basyongkun haga sengiraki ke International Women's Day haga pratarik LBER balapelong hanipko Corporate Office Auditorium Lower New Colony da kanipko Women Welfare Association ringkat kasengken thailand krap pelun bat ke Manbha Foundation lapen kop buram ya sangut kilong kemi krau jebing ke bala penok ki bahak bakensai hake kam syakri pat ba beper haga ni ke Jylla. Kilong kemi ke bela penkup ya kanam ke buram ha kini ke sengi krau jengki kentai shitelup ke perthai kilong ke kong Rosetta Mary Kurba IAS Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills, kong Anita Kharpor IAS DC Eastern West Khasi Hills, kong Ida Shisha Nongrang IPS Director General of Police Meghalaya, kong Dr. Amperin Lingdo Menteri Ketenat Kekot Kekiak bat kerep keriang, bat ke kong Dr. MRP Lingdo Principal Belasyong Thait na Shillong College. Kini sangut kilong kemi kila saya laki buat kibor terekam bekensai halaki jong ki mati ki belalong ki noksai ki Samla kenthai amtang hangni Meghalaya Henry Shekiwei pat ki Jylla jong kari India kamtam ha kadong syatei lam mengi kari India. Ki rekod keseng long kemi lain krak pelun ki ladap da ke jingkemen bat jing sngow serong ha kini kesengi bela penkup buram kini ki sangut kilong kemi bekensai jong kajat benriu nyau trap. Ha kejing kren ha kini kejing elang basyongkun ke kong RM Kurba ke Loong. Kilong kemi kidon kijingkit ki bakrau ha ki emlang saalang bat halaying lasem. Kirang ba ki klan ke bormet kat ba kilong kemi kilong ki baklan ha ki bor perkat perdan namar ke shibor jongki ke la ban yerengkat bat kirang khat arbor. Kini ke bor kilong kemi ke la ru ban kamtam ya ke bor kirang ba. Kalau kentui kelong kemi ban sumaria lade ialah ke jingkot jingkia bat ialah ke jingmot jing perkat. Kekong Anita Kharpor ha ke jingkren ha ke ni kesengi. Kalau ong be kilong kemi kilong ki bakong san ha ke imlang salang. Namar kilong kinong sedang ya kelong ying long sem. Lada ke kemi kamdon amdon setia kelong ying long sem hashnong hatau. Kumta kalau kentui ya barok kilong kemi ki belawan shkini ke jingelang da ke boong. Ngidei ban long ki baklan ha ke jing em ha ke bor perkat. Bat ki bakot bakia hakamet bat kemensi.
Which is a taboo earlier in our days, but now young kids, I don't know why, but then I think so it's because of the computerization or things like that. They want things instantly and they get things instantly. They have not learned defeat. That the strength, mental strength of the children is declining because they get things instantly. And I think so that is something which is a danger for the society. And as mothers, we play a very important role. As women, we play a very important role to ensure that our children, right from the very young age, are not to be given whatever they ask. We have to kind of look at the maturity of a child. Most of the time, I feel like we want too much time for ourselves and we give the mobile to the child so that they keep quiet. But I feel like when we were young, we didn't have this gadget, so we were asked to play. So that is missing in the young people. They are physically not very strong. I appeal to all the mothers present here and kindly share the message if you feel it's right, that we need to ensure our children play. It's very important for them to play. They get used to if they are encouraged from a very young age. Otherwise, when they are adult, then it becomes very difficult to change the habits. So with this, I thank.
Haka pratarik LBER arjar arpusan ke Khasi Department jong St. Mary's College Shillong haka jengetrelang bat ke Police Department East Khasi Hills Shillong headquarter. But ke Counselling Committee St. Mary's College ke leraki ke International Women's Day halor Kapang, a talk on safety for women. Yakini ke program le belong ha St. Mary's College Auditorium. Hakini ke sengi le penkop buram ke Shabanam Singh, Women Police Sub-Inspector Lumdingjeri Police Station, but ke SD Shira Women Police Constable Lankra Police Station. Kashabanam Singh ha kajingkren kalakentui ki Samla kenthai bakin ri kendong yala ka akor ka buram kum ki kenthai bakim dei ban shania kulmar yanu ru bakim dei ban sha penthami ha ki rong phong perthai namar endang yala du ya ka buram ngin sha pet kmat kalapen shairu balada don ki jing sha thombor ki kenthai ki leben ki jing pulu yeng lani ladang don kam jing erap akaliang ka shitam ka shipa ngila ban phone hau number iwei ar.
We are women here, we are not a lay person like that we will just be open everywhere, right? So please try to respect your own body first. And later cases too will come up only, but cases, see, after the photos got viral, you think case will have any impact? The dignity is already gone. Had she not clicked, then nobody would know. But she already clicked, she already sent. Now, the boyfriend will say, I did not force her to give. She said voluntarily. He will brush himself off. He's gone. All the owners will lie on the girl now. People will start pointing on the girl. See, have relationships, but don't make it so casual now. Don't make it so casual. Right? Many cases relating to women is happening because we girls, we are taking things for granted now. We are taking things for granted now. Okay, fine, I am dating him. He will not do that. He will not do this. He will not circulate my photos. But that is wrong. You can never trust anyone. Never click such pictures of yourself. Never upload all such pictures in social media. Because later if you cry 100 times also, nothing will happen. Your lost dignity loss means gone. Gone. It will never come back. You may win the case, but you will never get back that same respect in the society. Okay? Please, don't send, okay? I have got cases like that. Yes, even I did get cases where the victims are sending pictures like that to their boyfriends.
I think there should be...
The perpetrator will take advantage of that. And he may have multiple victims. Do you want that? No, right? So please do not endure any kind of violence in whatever form it may be. Come to us and we will try to fix your issue. Okay? Anything else anybody wants to ask? The 112, please remember, that is an emergency response. In case there is a fire near your house, a fire incident, or you need an ambulance also for that matter, you call 112. Okay? It is not only dealing with the police, it is dealing all over. For fire emergencies, for medical supports, for crimes. So that is your toll-free number. Feel free to call that number. In case you don't have the time to go to your nearest police station, just call in that number. We will come to your doorstep. You don't have to come to us. We will come to you. Okay?
Kumshibanta ban kinmau buram yakasngi jongkilong kami International Women's Day. Kinoyalam katanat sing Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Jylla Meghalaya kila rakhe rakajing shirhem ha kajing elang jongkilong kami bat samla kenthai hanongpo. Hagani kajing elang kinmau buram mi kilong kami layo ikajing kren nakakong darihun marbanyang kong Miriam Maring kong Sumitra Lalu bat naka President jong kamahila Morcha kong Suzuki Pariat. Kini kilong kami kilapin kenmau ikimati jong Menteri Rang Bado Narendra Modi ulapun Khubor bat kentiu ki babun kilong kami bat kentai ki kerdan ki basyajrong ha kesensyar khadar. Hakini ki snem bala sensyar ke seng BJP ke Sarkar India kala kentiu kerdan ki kilong kami bat kentai jong kari India ke leng ki Jylla. Naduk kitu ki basyong ha ki jakasor bat ha kinong kendong ki laong. Habakren hakani kesengi ke kong Suzuki Pariat kala kren syapang ke jing syania bat ke jing iit ke bau Menteri Rang Bado Udan ya kilong kami ke Jylla Meghalaya. Kalau ongru baka seng BJP ke kentiwi kilong kami ke Sarkar India bat hagi Sarkar Jylla. Kani ke seng ke don shibun ke jing temu na ke bentaban pen Khubor ki kentai Meghalaya. Kalau kerpat ya barok ki para kentai ki bapoy kini ke jing yalang ban ai ke jing kershan ya ke parti ban penriu spa ya ke jing im ki pat ba ke Meghalaya. Ka kong Suzuki Pariat kala pen ken mauru ha ke te ke jing yalang syapang ki skim beper ba ke Sarkar India kala wanra bat pentrekam na ke benta ke jing mentoy jung ki kentai ha ke Jylla. Kala kerpat ikilong kemi bat Samla ban shim kabui ki skim ki belawan ra kerpang da sorkar pedeng na kebenta jangki. Hakini ke jingelang ladon lang ru ka kong Yasha Rembai kanong sing ya ke Eriviv Private Limited but President Cluster Level Federation Bhoirambong Cluster National Rural Livelihood Mission kong Pinky Maring World Peace and Beautiful Skin ex-Miss Meghalaya but ex-Miss Northeast but kiwe kilong kami.
Kita bahagi sedang nalaying. Telada kum ka kami, kum ka kami, sedang nalaying ban yalam ya kikon ki jonga. Hangta kanwan kata kajing baha ha ki Shillong namar man la ki yeng ki baha, ki Shillong ki baha, ki kiu, bat lada ki Shillong ki kiu ka ri hi barok ka we ka kiu kata kadai ka jinget ha ka jonga. Tina kata kadaw nga sedang yakini banseng yakini kikam lajong hapo kisnong ki jonga. Te ngan suya thok kendiat ita ikam iba kunong in yang yarap yaki paralong kemi ban penkiu ya kayo kakot. Lane kata ka economic lane financial empowerment yaki paralong kemi jongi. Kawai kadai lengba kajing tray jongi lengba jong kini ki self help group apo kisnong ki jongi. Tenga day kawai nak bat ya kane ka kam jong kum ka president jong ka CLF kamut cluster level committee kabadon hapo federation kamut kabadon ki group hapo kate hapo Bhoirambong cluster. Ke hangte hapo Bhoirambong kata kawai ka cluster kabadon kumba khatlai Shillong ngabat kum ka president jong kita ki group. Dikini ki group ngiyale kuno ngiyak tere tu rengkat bat kane ka skim kabawan na po NRLM. Baro piadon group na ya? Piadon ha group na. Ngidon hapo ka group ka ba? Hapo ka NRLM. NRLM kamut National Rural Livelihood Mission. Mano bawan ra ya kane ka skim. Kadai ka bawan na Te kumbala ong Madam Suzuki mene kadai ka ba? Ka central scheme ka ba Prime Minister jongi Narendra Modi ai sya ki para long kemi sya kini ki long kemi kerpang kane ka scheme kadai na ka benta ki long kemi kanang ban penkiu ya kayo kakot jongki te hang tu hapo group ni ale ayu kapoy kapisa dai na hapo group jongi lengba jong ki VO na ka CLF kawan ha ka VO na ka VO ba katu kapisa kawan ha ki group silak sipo dai na em silak sipo ka we ka group ni yo te ya ka ne kapisa pat ngile akum no
Ka office u Deputy Commissioner Ribhoy District kalabo da ka help desk ha kini ka office banyarap bat ban pensuk ki pa ki bawan shikani ka office na ka benta ki jingdon kam bat ki jingwa jingtep pape. Yakini ka help desk la play do Deputy Commissioner Wabilash Baranwal ha ka jingelang baladon lang ka additional Deputy Commissioner kong balakenti rani kinong tre sorkar bat kiriu rang ba kanong po. Labu ru ya ka helpline lingba ka WhatsApp number praiwe laiwe praiwe kanda iwe kan sedang terekam nadu ka shpau terik LBER hagi sngi belong tre nadu shpau bejimen step hadu san beji janme. Kani ka help desk kan yarap kerpang ki pat ba bantip shpang ki scheme ki program bat ki kampen roi pat ba jang DC office. Kani ka help desk kan ajing tip shpang ka jingdon ki staff ni ki officer ha ka office u Deputy Commissioner kijing pensyai halor kijing tho la ni kijing ot ki balapha shika office u DC kijing yarap halor ki rukom terekam ki kot kisla badon kam hagi scheme bat kijing ajing mot ki pat ba ha ka office u DC.
Jing tetep ki pat ba barok pat ba pokok jing lam di DC jongi nila play kini helpless kebadan phone number bila ai ham ni kang bagi beri barok badan kam DC office kila ban buat din ki kam ki jam ki jongki kila ban phone hulu number ban kli lagi kam ki jongki ki branch ba pe pen kan tap ni ya ti kalong kaski ke bakong san bat kari ka jing persang ke barat ke jongi ban punduna lani ban kampus ki pat ba bikin don kam banwan ban pulut bai kali na jengai bikin yo ke jing tip lumbau ni number bat kila ro ban bu ki message jongki WhatsApp lang bangila ban facilitate ni banera iki ban yo ya ka service kapur bagian.
in our office, Deputy Commissioner office, we have started this practice of help desk. 2 people are being dedicatedly appointed for the same. Anyone who comes to office and seeks any guidance regarding where is the revenue branch, or for that matter establishment, anything, they can ask them. Secondly, they are being also provided a phone number, so if any person has any work with DC office and they require a follow-up, they can ask the concerned staff and over phone, and they can follow up, so that the person so that the members of the public do not have to come to office again and again just for the same piece of work. They can get information over phone and WhatsApp. Simultaneously, after, let's say, after they have visited the office, if they have certain complaints or grievances with the office and they want to register the same, they can again approach the help desk and register their feedback and complaints and grievances. So basically, these 2 people will be equipped with every information that is there to be provided to public, and the idea is to facilitate public.
Executive Committee jong kador Shillong Langtor Eastern West Khasi Hills District hadin bikilayo ekajing batay da kajing tho na gibahing asem jong ka kong darisha lingdo kinshi kabla klat no na kani kasla perthai ringkat bat ikhun badang arbanai balalap yekimet yap jongki na kaden umdi jong ka Shillong kinshi kabadon ha ka Shillong Langtor men ha ka artarik LBER arjar apusan. Nakaliang ke Executive Committee kalayo ban ajing pensyai halor kani ke jingja haswa ban lap ya kamet yap ka kong dari shaling do bat ikhun jongka. Katkum ketiga kerwo balapha du sordar ka Shillong uba RS lingdo kinchi bat usketri uba ti kharsentiu shikila pathai Khubor ha ka pratrik LBER. Kabatay na du basdang kabapenpoi syadu ka jing suba sya penyap jing kite ki shikimi shikhun kabalaja ha ka artarik banai LBER arjar arpusan. Lapen pau hau benai nailar arjar arpusau ki bahing ka kong darisha kilatip ba ka kong darisha kala armet bat kala thu yu briu badon kti ha kani ka kam henry uni briu shim kam satya yala ka jingle banban ula berngem bersit yaka bat ki bahing asem jongka kani kala yalam ki bahing jongka darisha banwa jingrap ne ki bor pulet bat na ka ying ka shari menta ki jing to kit halor ka jingyap jongka darisha bat ikhun jongka kirang ya chakman. Ke District Hub for Empowerment of Women ringkat ke Jingetrelang ke West Janta Hills District Police ha ke pratarik LBER kila rakhi ke sengi bekerpang ki kentai International Women's Day da ke bepelong ye ke rali arshaka jawai ke belasdang na Pelau District Library Mentong. Ke kongsi lingdo Additional Deputy Superintendent of Police West Janta Hills kala kawe ekalamas dang jong ke ni ke rali ke belepenkut Hamadan Wariyong mi mintedu. Hakini ke rali arshaka ki kenthei klemi renti ban pendon buram ye kini kesengi bekerpang ringkat ke jing senran lang kishenrang. Barok shilinter linti lingba ke tendong jing sawa la pensngau thu bat batai ye ke jing kraw jong kini kesengi ha ke bala kentiu bat penkup bor ye ki kenthei bat long kemi ha ke imlang sa lang shitelup ke perthei. Ka kongsi lingdo ke laong kini kesengi kedai ban kenmau buram ye ke bor jing klan ke jingjop jong ki kenthei hakaling kiri jong ka perthai kala ongru habayu i ki kam bakrau kiri kenthei don kamban sngo thu ru i ki jing e babunjat be ki kendo ha ka jing em jong ki halor ka jing pen kop bor i ki kenthei kala ong ka hok jong ki kenthei ka de ka hok bay rengkat dor ha ka long briu man briu kalong kemi ka don ka benta bakong san amtang haying kum ka kemi kum ka lok kum ka khon henry ka long ru uri shot pa ki imlang salang kajing shem benta bon ngut ki kenthei ke ni karali arshaka kapen i kajing ya chakmat jengki banya arshaka nya kali batwat banya ling sunru ka kentu bat I mean see mi ki kenthei bantre ke nu kam ka bagi thrang banle kajing em jengki ki wei pat ki ba ai jing kren ki long ka kong s lakyang BBBBP ambassador District Hub for Empowerment of Women US Manor OC ke Jawai Police Station Kong ar ringklem President Yesnok tilang VO mi mintedu. Ya ke jingelang lepenya da ka kong yo hi kendat Gender Specialist District Hub for Empowerment of Women Jylla, but kiblay don lang hagani kesngi kilong ka kong ai kharpran usi Jylla Women Police Station, kong Elksu Center Manager cum Protection Officer One Stop Center, ba F Ringa District Mission Coordinator District Hub for Empowerment of Women Jylla, kong Y Najar District Social Welfare Officer Jylla, but bun ba kilong kami ke Shillong Jylla.
Pertai. Dan neliang yang ke department, neliang yang ke department yang District Social Welfare Officer, District Hub for Empowerment of Women, delang ukrek langi wa ke Jylla Police Department, le negas ni dapat mani ya gani ke International Women's Day, kama da yuk ini dapat mani da ke baik rally. Hejo ipor le kama le burami ya ke jingdap yang gani ke beti bachao, beti parao chiphausnyam. Te kamajuk man manusnyam ke em daga team ya gani ke International Women's Day. News nyam le da em daga team ko ong kat kam ke United Nations Women, Girls, Rights, Equality and Empowerment. Ko mud upen kam kti le neu e bori ya ki kena kan thai ki manbe ya ka hok yang ki we ya ka upen Khubor ya ki te da kani ka thim yo luti wa ile we kra lang e chirup is nok ti lang e kam da celebrate ini kesni wa kani kesni nto uman go kesni go pen amburom mi do kesni henlei kan mo burom mi ya ki kan thai ki wada chim benta hawaro ki liang da man ki leaders ha won ki liang ha ka imlang ka sa lang yo I na do ki wa kra office ha do ki wa pat ha yung sem ha do ki sen kan we ki vi de ki chai kam da man ki wa ya luti ha ko bon ki benta sia ko man ne wo em lang ne OC wo in charge
ni kesni prater go march kesni go celebrate I chituluk ko prathai wo ang International Women's Day. Ang International Women's Day man ko kasngi ko wa prathai hiwaro the honor to honor and celebrate the strength, the resilience and the achievement of many women in and around the world. When we celebrate the achievement of women, we also mark their struggles, their achievements in all spheres of life. Having talked about women empowerment, we also talk about the rights of women. Rights of women has also been recognized as human rights because women plays a crucial role not only in the family, not only just as a mother, as a wife, but they also played a very crucial role. They are also the backbone of growth in the society. So today, as we gather here, we could see that many of the women riders here, that also mark an achievement that women are not only just mother at home, but they can also drive, they can also ride, they can also fly high in the sky. So today, as we gather here, let's to advocate the rights of women. Let's each one of us celebrate each one of us, the women around us and the women around the world, that we should empower women to rise, lead and shine across the world in all spheres of their lives. So with this short message, let's each one of us recognize, celebrate and
But dak niki Khubor ngila poi syaka bekut tak haduk pengidai syambiang keblai shibot.